Denise, and I live at South Wheatland Avenue. So I crossed the street to go cook my grandson dinner about an hour and a half ago, and it was raining lightly, and I saw a gentleman on the southeast corner of Sheridan and Wheatland. But I thought because it was raining, he would just kind of dodging the raindrops under this pine. That's when I went into my grandson's, and an hour and a half later, I'm outside, and the gentleman's still there, and the motor's still running. And even if it's a riding mower, I just didn't feel somebody would, and I can't really tell at the distance. I know he's slumped, and he hasn't moved even a muscle or shaken the rain off his neck collar or whatever. And I don't know if this is an emergency, and I'm not dressed to go down.
Okay, hold on. So he's at Wheatland and Sheridan. He's under a pine tree?
Yes, on a riding mower.
Okay, is he black, white, Hispanic, another nationality?
I can't tell.
Okay. What's your phone number, Denise?
Call the house, 614.
Okay, we'll get officers out there to check on him.
Thank you, babe.
Bye-bye.
Real. Oh yeah, look at that. Alright, well. No way. He's just waiting out the rain.
It's on now. 151.
You good? Somebody called in saying that they thought you fell asleep.